All right, it's never done, folks. I went ahead and went to the VW parts store and picked up a couple things. One of the things I picked up was some of these new gaskets. They were only like 59 cents or something like that. I figured, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and check. These ones came out actually pretty good, so I'm gonna leave those there. Those are ones I already had. And then I'm gonna replace the ones that go in between here. I had a lot of oil up here. I cleaned it up, but man, it was bad. So I'm like, the only place it could be leaking from is there. So, I mean, when it's coming from the top, that's the only place it can come out of, up on top. So, I mean, it leaks down to the sides and all that stuff. So I picked those up, and then I couldn't stand to have this extra long stud, so I cut off like just 1/4 of an inch. So, yeah, let's get it. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Let's get rid of these puppies. Get some new ones in there. Let's go. Boom. Look at that. Ready to roll, baby. Rock and roll. All right, something I want to show you guys is there's a little bit of black stuff. I thought it was oil, but it's actually sealant. Somebody put some RTV stuff on there. You can see it right there. All right, now you can see we're gonna get that full flow right there of the oil, no blockage. So that's what we want right there, baby. Nice and open, even. All right, let's get it together. All right, here we go.